everyone, the lengths of the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD are equal. So these are, sorry about that, these are equal. And it says, prove that the perimeter of ABCD is equal to 4AB. So just 4 of these, of this line segment here. So it's given that they're all congruent. So there's that. And we want to prove that the perimeter of ABCD is 4AB. So what we want on this last line is 4AB. That last line is always your final proof, and the first line is always your given. And then we have to work out the middle. So for the middle, it says that AB equals BC, BC equals CD, CD equals AD. You notice I'm just copying this down, and that's just a definition of congruent segments. So definition of congruent segments. I have a list of all the reasons on the next slide. Now, the next one says AB equals CD and AB equals AD. So, and that's the transitive property, because if AB equals, if we take this first part, then we get AB equals CD. And also because CD equals AD, we can say AB equals AD. So the perimeter, now we're going to use, so what is that called? That's transitive property. Of segments, line segments. Now what we're going to do is the perimeter part. It has ABCD equals AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Now that part is just definition of perimeter. So just put definition of perimeter. When you have a perimeter, you just add all the sides up. So that's all that is. And then what we're going to do is substitution, because we want everything in terms of AB. So look what I'm going to do here. So I have AB. That's what we want. We want 4 of these ABs. But BC equals AB. So I'm going to substitute. That's AB. And CD equals AB. So that's AB. And AD equals AB. So that's also AB. And so we have 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the substitution power. Let me write this in. So this is just going to be AB plus AB plus AB plus AB. And I'm just substituting what I had here into this line. And then finally you add them up. There's 4 of them, and that's the final answer after you simplify. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.